All right, welcome everybody. Good to see you all today. We are going to move on to Module 8 today, and today's today's subject matter is advanced string processing. Now, we've talked a little bit about how to deal with string variables and things that we can do with string variables, but we're going to come back and do some more advanced work with string variables now that we have some more tools in our tool set, loops and branching and functions and things like that. So it gives us the ability to do a bit more with strings. And the reason I'm spending so much time on this is that string processing, aka making sense of text, is a critical part of much of what we do in computer science. It's literally the foundation of AI, understanding what text is. ChatGPT, for example, is based on this massive consumption of text that's been found on the internet and in books and things like that. And they've trained this model on so much of what people have written over the last 30 years and put out there, that's how it does what it does. It's not magic, it's just making sense of massive amounts of text. Now, that's way more sophisticated than we're going to get today, obviously. But we're going to start thinking about how you make sense of text, how you pull meaningful things from bodies of text, and what you might do with that. And so